Third case is about Sarla Mugdal versus Union of India. Sarla Mugdal first contacted to Women's Welfare Organization. Then it was a PIL, public interest litigation, filed by a women's welfare organization called Kalyani Working for the welfare of women in distress. The organization in its PIL drew attention to the sufferings of women whose husbands indulged in fake conversion to Islam for contracting bigamous marriages. Means here the husbands were doing the fake conversion of Islam for doing bigamous marriages. Often they neglected and abandoned their first wives for second marriage. The apex court held that such a marriage by the husband after his conversion to Islam without having the first marriage dissolved would be void under section 494 of the IPC and the person is guilty of bigamy. Justice Kuldeep Singh in the judgment said Article 44 is based on the concept that there is no necessary connection between religion and a personal law. The court held that the first marriage would have to be dissolved under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. The Supreme Court held that adopting Islam for second marriage is an abuse of personal laws. Justice Kuldeep Singh's opinion and suggest for degeneralization of equality in the Hindu personal law and its telescoping the legal and political goals of UCC. Means the laws and acts should be same and applicable to all religion and discrimination should not be happened in both genders. This is the last message of UCC. Then the fourth important case is Ahmedabad Women Action Group AWAC versus Union of India. Supreme Court had withdrawn into its conservative shell in the instant case. AWAC along with some other women's organization filed a PIL for discrimination against women. The court dismissed this case and declared it void. Because making of laws is in the state directed policy, the court can only guide in such cases and government can have the laws. So here we have completed one of the important topic UCC and its 4 important cases. Next we are going to see the directions of environmental justice in that areas of pollution. The first case is about the Bhopal mass disaster.